Hi, my name is Jack Norling. I am a deputy with the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office, and today we're going to talk about the proper way to use these Deterra bags to destroy unwanted prescription medication. A Deterra bag is a way to get rid of prescription medication that you don't want. You're not going to use it, you don't want to dispose of it in the toilet, you don't want children or pets to get a hold of it. It neutralizes the drugs, so if anybody does get a hold of them, it's not going to harm them in any way. So the nice thing about these bags is on the back it gives a little description of how much and what type of meds you can put in there. So you can put in liquid, you can put patches in, you can put pills in, and it says up to 6 patches, 6 ounces of liquid, or 45 pills in each bag. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to tear the top of the bag off. There's a little notch there letting you know where to start. The next step is you're going to open the bag. When you look inside there, you can see the deactivating agent in there. The next step is we're going to put the meds in the bag. Now that the meds are in the bag, we're going to fill it halfway with warm water. You want the bag to now sit for approximately 30 seconds. So we're just going to sit that there and wait. Now that it's been sitting for about 30 seconds, I'm going to pick it up, seal the bag. Now that it's sealed, I'm going to gently shake the bag and take the final step to throw it away in the garbage. If you have any other questions regarding the Deterra bags or where to find them, go to hennepinsheriff.org.